Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. In today's video I have the Puma X Ray 3LT sneakers. The shoe has an IMEVA midsole, which stands for Injection Molded EVA. This lightweight molded foam provides soft cushioning, shock absorption and flexibility for all-day wear. Despite its oversized look, the use of IMEVA contributes to the shoe's light nature. Puma's Soft Foam Plus sock liner is a signature comfort feature. This extra thick insole provides soft, plus step-in comfort and additional cushioning underfoot, especially in the heel area. The upper is made of a blend of materials, a breathable mesh base combined with a synthetic leather or overlays. This design is emblematic of the Y2K runner aesthetic and offers durability and structure. Some versions feature TPU overlays that add visual interest and durability while giving the upper design a modern, slightly technical look. The upper is often made with a high performance of recycled materials. The shoe features a durable rubber outsole that is designed to provide grip and traction for everyday use on urban and casual surfaces. These strong, flat shoelaces come in a variety of colors to match your shoes. The same goes for the shoe, which is available in different color combinations. The Puma soft tongue, complete with a label, is included. The shoe has a distinctively bulky layered design, clearly inspired by late 90s and early 2000s athletic footwear trends. So let's give them a try. The design often incorporates bold and vibrant color blocking, a common feature to the era it references, adding to its standout street style. It is made using a standard lace to ensure a comfortable, regular fit. Honestly, the X Ray 3LT does a fantastic job of blending that bold retro-inspired aesthetic with modern, lightweight comfort. They are super easy to wear all day long, and the chunky silhouette adds the perfect statement to any casual outfit. For a versatile sneaker that gives you great style and comfortable steps without breaking the bank, these Pumas are a solid choice. They definitely hit the mark for current trends. If you found this video helpful, informative, or simply appreciate seeing innovative footwear, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming fashion reviews, sneaker showcases and style guides. Plus, don't forget to check out some of our other footwear reviews and style guides right here. Thanks so much for tuning in everyone, keep stepping out in style, and I'll catch you in the next one.